In this video, I will explain my solution to LeetCode problem 226 invert binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. To invert the tree, for each node we must simply set the left child to be the right child and the right child to be the left child. Here 2 and 7 are swapped and their children are also swapped. And our base case would be when we are given an empty root because there is nothing to invert. It would look like this in code. We first start off by swapping the left and right children, which in Python can be done in one line. 1 becomes the right child and 3 becomes the left child. After swapping, we recursively invert the left and right subtrees. We'd enter a new function call with 3 as the root, swap none with none, and return to 2. The left tree has been inverted, so then we do the same thing for 1. We swap none with none, and finally at the end we return the root and the problem is solved.